Gmail is so old that we all have been using it for decades now. But I'm sure there are a lot of features that you are not aware of. So this is why I have compiled a list of my 5 favorites Gmail tips and tricks that can make you productive and save your time. So watch the video till the end, otherwise you're definitely going to miss out on these hacks. Now all of us know that we can undo an email in Gmail. In fact, Imam has also made a dedicated video on that, so if you haven't watched that yet, you can check the link from here. Now a lot of times what happens is by the time we realize that we have to undo an email, the undo timer goes. So it's better to increase the timer so that we can correct our mistake and undo that email. For that, what you need to do is just go to the settings menu at the top and click on see all settings and go to undo send option. Now increase the timer to 30 seconds. So you will have more time to decide if you wish to unsend an email. Now did you know that you can set an expiry date to emails? This is another very useful trick. For this, what you need to do is whenever you are sending a confidential email on Gmail, you can set an expiry date by clicking on this confidential icon on the bottom line. Then choose an expiry date. You can choose a day, a week, a month, or even years. Then click on save. Now the receiver will be able to see that this is a confidential email which will expire on its date and time. Now let's talk about spam emails. Now everyone hates it, but a lot of users don't know that you can actually unsubscribe those spam emails at once and Gmail can actually delete it for you. For that, what you need to do is just type unsubscribe. So all these spam emails usually have the term unsubscribe, so they will appear. Now select these spam email IDs and click on the filter icon on the search bar and check the email IDs once again so that you don't have any important email ID here. Now write your email ID in 2 sections and write unsubscribe on the has the word section and click on create filter. So whenever you will get emails which has the term unsubscribe, Gmail will automatically delete it for you. Number 4th is schedule emails. Now what happens is I come to office at 10 AM but my video editor comes at 8 AM. So I usually schedule my morning emails at night and this makes my work a lot easier. And you can do that too. For that, while writing an email, just click on the drop down menu on the send button and click on schedule. Now choose your preferred time and date and your email will be scheduled. And last is filter and blocked addresses. Now a lot of times what happens is our important email IDs get blocked. So you can actually filter them out and delete them from the spam emails. What you need to do is just go to settings menu at the top and click on see all settings to expand it to the full settings page. Now navigate to the filters and blocked addresses tab and cross check all the IDs that are blocked. You can also edit or delete it from here. So those were some of the Gmail tips and tricks that you can try. Do comment down below if you also know some interesting Gmail hacks that I can also try. And hit the like button if you like this video and share this video with your friends. I'll catch up with you in the next video.